just the feeling that you get when you're being creative. It's quite magical. What I love about graphic design is that we're always creating. Every day there's something new to do, there's a new challenge. It can have a very powerful effect and a powerful result, but it's up to us as designers to apply it. I really encourage my graphic design students to look at those other trends, so UX, UI design, because we can add those to our skills and it's going to even make us more viable. I think graphic design is a really great career. You have so much impact. You can impact a small business, you can impact a large corporation, you can impact social change, and that to me is a beautiful thing.